Hello students, today we will do 26b on coordinate geometry. We already completed 26a. Okay, in this chapter we will draw a straight line in a graph by plotting the points. Okay, so now let's start this chapter 26b. First question: draw the graph for each linear equation given below. First equation, x equals to 3. So since x equals to 3, therefore the value of y can be taken as any real number. Okay, so the table is x value 3 and the value of y can be taken as any real number. We can take -1, 0 or 1. Okay, so the graph is, and draw x-axis and y-axis. Okay, this is x and x dash, this is y and y dash. So now we plot these points. 3 minus 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here 3, 0 is here, 3, 1, 3, 1 is here, and 3 minus 1 is here. Now we draw the straight line. Okay, this is the line, x equals to 3. Okay, then second equation, x plus 3 equals to 0, imply x equals to -3, or therefore the value of y can be taken as any real number. Then the table is here, x and y. When x -3 and -3, y value is any real number, 1, 0 or -1. Okay, now thus the graph is and draw the line. This is x and x dash, this is y and y dash. Two, 4, 6, 2, 4. Okay, so -3, 1 point will be here, -3, 0, and this is -3, -1. Okay, then we draw the straight line. X plus 3 equals to 0. This is the straight line. Now question number 3, x minus 5 equals to 0, imply x equals to 5. So the table is here, x, 5, 5 and 5. Y can be any real number, so 0, -1 and 1. Now we draw the coordinate axis, x and y axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X dashed, y and y dashed. Here 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. So now this is 5 0 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 5 sorry, this is 1, this is 2, so 5 1 is here and 5 minus 1 is here. Okay, so now we draw the straight line. So this is the straight line. X minus 5 equals to 0. Now question number 4. 2x minus 7 equals to 0. Imply x equals to 7 by 2. So for x equals to 7 by 2, this is 3.5. The table is 7 by 2, 7 by 2 and 7 by 2. Y will be minus 1, 0 and 1. Okay, so the graph is, now we draw the x-axis and y-axis. This is x and this is x dashed, this is y and this is y dashed. So 1 2 3 4 2 3 and this is 1 2 3 4. So first 3.5, 7 by 2 minus 1 means 3.5 is here, 0, 3.5 minus 1 is here and 3.5 1 is here. So now we draw the straight line. This is the straight line. Okay, now question number 5. Y equals to 4. For y equals to 4, the table is here. X minus 1, 0 and 1. So now the graph is now I draw the x-axis and y-axis. X dashed, y dashed. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 minus 1 4 will be here. Here is minus 1 4, 0 4 point is here and 1 4 point is here. So the straight line is this. This is the straight line. Okay, y equals to 4. Now question number 6. Y plus 6 equals to 0. Imply y equals to minus 6. So the table is here. X and y. Y minus 6 and minus 6. X 0 minus 1 1. Thus the graph is now draw the x-axis, y-axis. X dashed, y dashed. Okay, 2 3 2 4 6 here, 2 4 6 2 4 6 here, 2 4 6. Okay, first 0 minus 6 and is here, minus 1 minus 6 is here. Sorry, this point is here, this is 6, and also 1 minus 6 point will be here. So now we draw the straight line. This is the straight line. Okay, y plus 6 equals to 0. Now 7, question 7, y minus 2 equals to 0. So the table is, this implies y equals to 2. For y2, x0 minus 1 and 1. The graph is draw the straight line, x dash and y dash. Okay, so 1 2 3 1 2 2 3. So 0 2 point is here, and minus 1 2 is here, and also 1 2 is here. Now we draw the straight line. This is the straight line. Okay, so this is the straight line. Now 8 3y plus 5 equals to 0, imply y equals to minus 5 by 3. Then the table is x and y minus 5 by 3, minus 5 by 3 and minus 5 by 3. Then x 0 minus 1 and 1. The graph is here. The graph is x and y. X is, this is x dash, and this is y dash. Okay, so first minus 5 by 3. Okay, this will be minus 5 by 3. We here bring down 2. Now it's going down, so 1.6. This point is 0 minus 5 by 3. So here 1 2 3 1 2 3. So this point will be here, and also minus 1 minus 5 by 3. This point will be here, and 1 minus 5 by 3. This point will be here. So now we draw the straight line. This is the straight line. Okay, 2y minus 5 equals to 0. Sorry, 2y, not 2y, 3y. 3y plus 5 equals to 0. So question number 9, 2y minus 5 equals to 0, imply y equals to 5 by 2. Now the table is y 5 by 2, 5 by 2 and 5 by 2, then 0 minus 1 1. So the graph is x-axis and y-axis. This is x and x dash, this is y and y dash. So this point 2 5 divided 5 by 2, so 2 this is 5 10 2.5 1 2 and 3 2.5 is here, sorry it's 0 5 by 2, y value is here 5 by 2, so 3 1 2 3, so 2.5 is here, 2.5 0 5 by 2, and minus 1 5 by 2 is here, and also 1 5 by 2 is here. So now we draw a straight line. This is the straight line. Okay, now question number 10, y equals to 0. For y 0, we can take the value of x 0 minus 1 and 1. Okay, is any real number, so the graph is here. So this is x and x dash, this is y and y dash. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2, so 0 0 point is here, minus 1 0 is here, and 1 0 is here. So this is the straight line. Okay, now question number 11, for x 0, then the value of y will be, the table is 0 minus 1 1. Okay, now we draw a graph x dash y y dash. So 0 0 point is here, 0 minus point is here, and 1 0 point is here. So this is the straight line. Okay, now question number 2, draw the graph for each linear equation given below. Y, first equation is y equals to 3x. Okay, so the table is y x0 y0 x1 y3 x minus 1 y minus 3. So the graph is, the graph can be drawn as follow. X x dash, and this is y y dash. So 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. So 0 0 point is here, and 1 3 point is here, and also minus 1 minus 3 point is here. So now we draw a straight line. So this point is here. Now we draw a straight line. So this is the straight line. Okay, now second question, y equals to minus x. Then the table is here. If x1 y minus 1, x2 y minus 2, x minus 1 y is 1. So the graph is x, and this is x dash, y, and this is y dash. One, two, three, 2 3 1 minus 1 point is here, 2 minus 2 is here, and minus 1 1 is here. So now we draw the straight line. This is the straight line. Okay, so this is the straight line. Now question number 3, y equals to minus 2x. Then the table is here. If x1, y minus 2, 2 minus 4, x minus 1, then y2. Then now we draw the straight line. We draw x and x dashed, y dashed. Okay, so we have to draw a straight line by plotting these points. So this point one two three 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. Okay, 1 minus 2 is here, and 2 minus 4 is here, and minus 1 2 is here. So now we draw the straight line. Okay, this is the straight line. This is the straight line. Okay, now question 4, y equals to x. The table is here 1 1 2 2 and minus 1 minus 1. So the graph is x dashed, y dashed. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3. So first 1 1 point will be here, and 2 2 point will be here, and minus 1 minus 1 point is here. So now we draw the straight line. This is the straight line. Okay, now 5x plus y equals to 0, imply y equals to minus 5x. So the table is, if x1, y minus 5, 2 minus 10, and minus 1 5. So the graph is we draw first x and y axis. This is x and this is x dashed, y dashed. Okay, so 2 4 6 2 4 6 8 10 2 4 6 2 4 6. Okay, first 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5 is here, 2 minus 10 is here, and minus 1 5 is here. So now we draw a straight line. So this is the line. Okay, then 6 x plus 2y equals to 0, imply x equals to minus 2y. Then the table is here. If y0 x0 y1 x minus 2 y minus 1 x2. So now we draw the x-axis and y-axis. This is x and x dash, this is y and y dash. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 0, 0 point is here, minus 2, 1 point is here, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is here. Now we draw a straight line. So this is the straight line. Okay. So this is the straight line. Now 7 x minus 1 by 3 minus y plus 2 by 2 equals to 0. Okay. Sorry, this question is not, this is not a question. The question is here. Now we solve 6. Now 7 4x minus y equals to 0, imply y equals to 4x. The table is here, x0 y0, then x1 y4 x minus 1 y minus 4. So the graph is here, y dashed, x and x dashed. So first 0, 0 point is here. Two, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. So first 1 minus 4, sorry 1 4, 1 is here, 4, this point is here, minus 1 and minus 4, this point will be here. Okay, this is the point. So now we draw the straight line. So this is the straight line. Okay. Now 8 3x plus 2y equals to 0, imply x equals to minus 2y by 3. So the table is here. If x 0, then y 0. If y minus 2 by 3, sorry, not minus 2 by 3. If we take here x1, then this is minus 3 by 2. Okay. Or if y1, then x minus 2 by 3 and y minus 1 x 2 by 3. Okay. Now we draw x-axis and y-axis. X dash, y dash. Okay. So this is 1 2 3 1 2 3. So this point will be here. Okay, this is the point. So 0, 0 point is here, and minus 2 by 3 1, this point will be here, this one, and 2 by 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 minus 1 is here. So now we draw a straight line. So this is the straight line. Okay. Now 9 x equals to minus 2y. Okay, so the table is here: y0 x0 y1 x minus 2 y minus 1 x2. So the graph is x dash y dash. So 0 point is here, minus 2 1 is here, 2 minus 1 is here, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So now we draw the straight line. This is the straight line. Okay, now question number 3. Draw the graph for each linear equation given below. First question: y equals to 2x plus 3. So the table is here: when x1 y5 0 3 and minus 1 1. So now the graph is can be drawn as follows. Now we draw the straight line. Okay, so this is x and x dash, y dash y. One, two, three, 1 2 3. So 1 5 point will be here, 0 3 is here, and minus 1 is here. Now we draw a straight line. This is the straight line. So now this is the straight line. Okay, so question number 2: y equals to 2y3 x minus 1. So the table is: when x0 y minus 1 x3 y1 x minus 3 y minus 3. Okay, then the graph is x dash y dash. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 0 minus 1, this is the point, 3 1 minus 3 is here. So now we draw the straight line. So this is the straight line. Now question number 3: y equals to minus x plus 4. Then the table is here: when x0 y4 1 3 minus 1 5. So the graph is y dash. 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 2 3 2 4 6 2 4 6 2 4 6. So 0 4 point will be here, 1 3 is here, and minus 1 5 is here. So now we draw a straight line. This is the straight line. Okay, so question number 4, y equals to 4x minus 5 by 2. So the table is here, x 0, y minus 5 by 2, 1 3 by 2, minus 1 minus 13 by 2. So the graph is x and x dash, y and y dash. So minus 5 by 2 means minus 2.5. So 0 2.5 minus 0 minus 5 by 2. Here 1 2 3 is this point is x 0 and y minus 5 by 2. So this point is here. Okay, and 1 3 by 2, this is 1 3 by 2 means 1.5, this is here, and 2 13 6.5 minus 6.5 minus 1 and minus 6.5 4 5 6 5 6 7. So this point will be here. Now we draw the straight line. So this is the straight line. Okay, then question 5, y equals to 3 by 2 x plus 2 by 3. Now the table is x 0, y 2 by 3, x 1, y 13 by 6, and minus 1 5 by 6. Okay, so the graph is here, x and x dash, y and y dash. So 0 2 by 3 will be here, this point is here, and 1 13 by 6, 1 is here, this is 1 and 2, 2.16 point is here, this is the point, and minus 1 5 by 6, minus 1 is here, and this is 0.66. So this point will be here. Okay, so 4 2 by 3, 1 is here, 9 4, and minus 1 for minus 1, minus 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3, 6, minus 9 plus 4, minus 5 by 6. Okay, minus 5 by 6. So this point will be minus 1 and this point is here. Okay, now we draw the straight line. So this is the straight line. Okay, now question number 6. 2x minus 3y equals to 4. So the table is here. Imply x equals to 4 plus 3y by 2. So when y0 x2 y1 x7 by 2 and y minus 1 x1 by 2. Okay, the graph is, so this is y dash and this is x and x dash. One, two, three, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. First 2 0 point is here. 7 by 2 is 3.5. 1 point is here and 1 by 2 means 0.5 is here. Minus 1 will be here. So now we draw the straight line. This is the straight line. Okay, now question number 7. X minus 1 by 3 minus y plus 2 by 2 equals to 0. So imply LCM 6. 2x minus 2, 3 minus 3 y minus 6 equals to 0. Implies 2x minus 3y equals to 8. Imply x equals to 8 plus 3y by 2. So the table is here. If y0 x4 y2 x7 y minus 2 x1. Now we plot these points in the graph. Show the required graph is, so this is x and x dash, y and y dash. Two, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4. Okay, 4 0 point is here and 7 2 is here and 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 is here. Now we draw the straight line. So this is the straight line. Okay, this is the straight line. Now question number 8. X minus 3 equals to 2y 5 y plus 1. Imply x equals to 2y 5 y plus 1 plus 3 equals to 2y plus 2 15 by 5. So 2y plus 17 by 5. So here the table is, here y0, then x 17 by 5, y1 x 19 by 5, y minus 1, then x 3. So the required graph is x dash, y dash, 2 4 6 8 2 4 6 2 4 6 17 by 5 is 3.4 is here. Okay, so 3.4, 17 by 5, 0 point is here. 19 by 5 means 3.8. okay, so 519 3.8. So 3.81 point will be here, and 3 minus 1, also 3 minus 1, this is the 3.4, so this point is 3, here 3 minus 1 is here. So now we draw the straight line. So this is the straight line. Okay, now question number 9. X plus 5y plus 2 equals to 0, imply x equals to minus 5y minus 2. So now the table is here: y0, x minus 2, y1, x minus 7, y minus 1, x3. So now the graph is here x and x dash, y dash. Four, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. So 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Okay, so now first minus 2, 0 point is here, and minus 7, 1, minus 7, 1 is here, and 3 minus 1, so 3 minus 1 is here. So now so this is the straight line. Okay, now the question 4. Okay, draw the graph for each equation given below. 3x, first equation, 3x plus 2y equals to 6. In each case, find the coordinate of the points where the graph drawn meets the coordinate axis. Okay, now imply here x equals to 6 minus 2y by 3. Okay, the table is here. The table is y0, x2, y3, x0, y6, x minus 2. Now we plot the graph. Now we plot these points in the graph. So we draw this graph is here x and x dash, y and y dash. Okay, 2 4 6 2 4 6 2 4. Okay, 2 0 point is here, 0 3 point is here, and minus 2 6 is here. Okay, now we draw the straight line. Okay, so this is the straight line. And now from the graph we see the line intersect x-axis at 2 0 and y-axis at 0 3. Okay, from the graph we see the line intersects x-axis at 2 0 and y-axis at 0 3. This is the point 2 0 and this is 0 3. Now second question, 2x minus 5y equals to 10. So imply x equals to 10 plus 5y by 2. The table is here. When y 0, x 5, y minus 2, x 0, y 2, x 10. Okay, so now we draw a graph. Okay, x dashed, y dashed. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. So first 5 0 point is here, 0 minus 2 is here, and 10 2 is here. So now we draw the straight line. So this is the straight line. Okay, so here see from this graph the line intersects x-axis at 5 0 and this is 0 minus 2 at 5 0 and y-axis at 0 minus 2. Question 3, x plus 2 by 3y equals to 5. Imply x equals to 5 minus 2 by 3y into 2. Okay, now the table is here. When y 0, x 10, y 3, x 6, x dashed and y dashed. 2 4 6 8 10 12 14. Okay, 2 4 6 8 10 12 14. 2 4 6 8 2 4 6 2 4 first 10 0 point is here, 6 3 is here, and 14 minus 3 is here. Okay, now we draw the straight line. This is the straight line. Okay, so this point is the line intersect x-axis at 10 0 and y-axis. So when x 0, then y will be 2 by 3 y equals to 5, 15 by 2. Okay, so 15 by 2. This point will be here. Okay, so this is the straight line. Okay, so this is point 0, 15 by 2. So the line intersect x-axis at 10 0 and y-axis at 0, 15 by 2. Then question number 4. 2x minus 1 by 3 minus y by 2 5 equals to 0. Okay, then we get here imply 2x minus 1 by 3 equals to, we are shifting this y minus 2 and on the right hand side, y by 2 5, then we get this. Okay, imply here 10x minus 5 equals to 3y minus 6, imply 10x plus 1 by 3 equals to y. So the table is here. When x 0, y 1 by 3, x minus 1, y minus 3. So here 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10, then y 0. Okay, now we draw the graph. So this is the point, this is x and x dash, y dash. This point is 0 1 3. We have to plot these points in the graph. Okay, so first 0 1 by 3. So this point will be here. And minus 1 minus 3 minus 1, this is minus 1 minus 3 point is here, minus 1 by 10 0. This point will be minus 1 by 10 y 0, then x will be minus 1 by 10. So this point will be here, but 0 y here x 0, then y 1 by 3, and when x minus 1 minus 9 by 3 minus 3, and when y 0, then x will be minus 1 by 10. So 0 1 by 3, sorry, 0 1 by 3 point is here. Okay, and also minus 1 minus 1 here, minus 1 and 1 2 3, minus 3 point is here, and minus 1 by 10 0 point will be here. So now we draw the straight line. So this is the straight line, okay, and so this point will be here, and now 1 is here, okay. So this is the straight line. So the line intersect x-axis at minus 1 by 10 0 and y-axis at 0 1 by 3, okay. So this is the straight line, yeah. This is the straight line. Now question number 5. For each linear equation given above, draw the graph and then use the graph drawn to find the area of a triangle enclosed by the graph and the coordinate axis, okay. So here first question is 3x minus 5 minus y equals to 7. Imply x equals to 7 plus 5 minus y by 3, 12 minus y by 3. The table is here. When y0 x4, when y3 x3, y12 x0, okay. Now we draw a graph. So this is the graph, and this is x and x dash, y and y dash, okay. 4 0, 2 4 6. So this is 2 4 6 8, 10 12, okay. So first we plot 4 0 point is here. Now 3 3 point is here. Now 0 12, this is here, okay. Now we draw this graph. We draw the straight line in this graph. So this is the straight line, okay. This is the straight line. Now we have to find the area of a triangle enclosed by the graph and the coordinate axis. This line enclosed by this line and the coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis, okay. So this point is 4 0. This is a right angle triangle, okay. So this is A and this is B 0 12, and this is C 0 0, okay. So this is a right angle triangle. Hence the area of the triangle, the area of the triangle ABC is half into half into base here base is AC and height is here BC. Okay, half into base into height, altitude. So AC is here 4 and BC, the length of BC 12. So 2 to 24 square unit. Okay, now second question. 7 minus 3 1 minus y equals to minus 5 plus 2x. Imply 7 minus 3 plus 3y equals to minus 5 plus 2x. Imply here 4, we are shifting minus 5 on the left hand side, then we get 9 plus 3y by 2 equals to x. So the table is here. The table is x and y. y0 x 9 by 2, y6 x1, y minus 1 x3, y minus 3 x0. Okay, now we draw the graph. Okay, this is x and x dashed, this is y and y dashed. 2 4 6 8 6 8 2 4 6 2 4 6 8 2 4 6 2 4 6 2 4 6. First 9 by 2 0, we plot this point. So this point is here and 1 6 point is here. 3 minus 1 is here and 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3. So this point will be here. Okay, we don't need this point. Okay, this is the, so the straight line will be here. This is the straight line. Okay, so we get a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle and the area of the triangle is half into base into height. Base is here. This is the right angle triangle, this is the right angle, and here base A, this point is 9 by 2 0, and this is the point 0 0, and this is the point 0 minus 3. So the base length of base is 3. Okay, and the height is here, height is 9 by 2. So 27 by 4, 6.75 square unit.